Hi guys and welcome. If you want to build your own landing page or website, you found the right place, because in this video I want to show you a fantastic tool that will help you to build your own landing page or website really fast, easy, and without an extra effort. Now, first of all, I want to say that I don't want to waste your time, because I saw all those 2-hour-long tutorials of how to build like website, and I want to make this video as short as possible with a maximum value for you. So let's jump straight to business, and I'm gonna show you this incredible and really powerful platform that lets you build everything you want really fast. So let's jump in. As we're talking about the landing pages, so we're gonna choose that one, landing pages, and here you go. There are a lot of templates really on the Leadpages, and we can choose like literally any template, because they're so beautiful and so professional, and it's really well done and really pre-built already. So you need to just change some things. Yeah, let's preview this one. You need to change some couple things, and this is really drag and drop, and everything is absolutely easy. Let's use this template. Because I want to show you the editor. I want to show you the editing features of this platform, and in the end of the story, you're gonna know how to build your own website or landing page by yourself, by your own hands. So first of all, we need to give a page a name. Let it be coming soon. It actually doesn't matter for now, because if you want to build something, yeah, definitely you'll type your own page name. But the point is that I want to show you the editor and all the editing features, and when you're going to find out how to use the editor, you'll be able to build everything that you want. Simple or complicated structure. So let's go first here. We have layout, sections, widgets, styles, and settings. Of course, redo, undo, preview mode, and publish. This is the button when you're gonna be ready to launch. You'll press publish. But first of all, and also this lead matter, this is absolutely insane tool, because it shows how your web page, how your landing page will perform. Yeah, what's gonna be the performance, how it will convert your visitors to your customers, and you need to make sure that everything is excellent here, or good or nice. Yeah. Let me show you all the things here. So now we have hero and footer, and everything here is built with the sections, so it's like kind of blocks. Yeah, and when you scroll, you see when you're hovering over the surface, you see these blue boxes. Yeah, this is actually it. So in the layout, you can find what sections do you have on your site. If you want to add some section, you jump into the same button as here, and you have already pre-built things like hero options, yeah, like text and images, and so on and so on. A lot of interesting tools, and they are already pre-built. You just need to drag and drop them. But we're gonna go to blank, and you see the simple layout with the 2 columns, 3 columns, and so on and so on. There are different types of, okay, let it be 2 columns, and you just drag, and you see drop here. Okay, this is the spot, so you drop it in here. We don't need this. Now we're going back to layout, and you see that there's a blank one and about. What can we do? We can delete it. We can discover what's inside. Yeah, you see the text and image, row 1, section style. Going back, I want to delete this one. I don't need it. Okay, now we have incorrect order. Like this blank section is under the footer, and the footer need to be on the bottom. So you see the 6 dots area, you just grabbing it and moving it down. That's it. Now you see this simple and easy, okay? And when you're hovering over the surface, you see that there are some elements, even invisible one, yeah? There are some elements, in each element. To change each element, you need to press this pencil button. But I'm going to show you in a minute. But what's the point of blank sections? So you can build everything from the ground, from the scratch. Just go to widgets. And for example, I need the video to be here. I'm just dragging and dropping it here. As we have 2 columns, all the elements are reshaping by itself. You see? And now maybe I need some text here, okay? And I need the button to be here. And when you're hovering over the surface, you see in which specific spot you can put this element. You can put this widget. And now it's inactive. I'm going to show you what to do with that, because this is very important actually. You need to make sure that all the buttons linked to some action. And one more thing, as we have 2 columns here, we can just move things around to get the shape that we want. And this is absolutely insane. So as I told you previously, each element you can change by clicking this pen or pencil button, and all the things connected to the text situated here. So a lot of interesting stuff you can make. Yeah, just bold. All right, maybe we wanna change the headline. It's gonna be big. Okay, that's pretty simple. But and here in the widgets, you have those 8. For example, I need this button to be a little bit lower. Just I'm grabbing a spacer, I'm dropping here, and I'm dragging it and resizing it. Okay, this vertical line, let it be like that. Maybe you want to show the video here, yeah? Those 8 actually is pretty enough to build everything that you want up. Okay, but you have more options like icon, progress bar, social like, and so on and so on. A lot of things, but actually those 8 is pretty enough. Let's go to styles. You have the font style, and you can change all the fonts straight from here. The same with the text font. Yeah, the headline font and text font. Now, page background. This is very important part of this thing, because actually you can change the colors, and you can add custom colors, and you can change the opacity, and everything will change like instantly and really fast. And that's really cool, because you can customize your landing page just literally in couple clicks. Okay, and you can change the background of each section. For example, we have here the some kind of office, and when you press the 3 dots button, you have edit section settings, add section buffer below, or you can make it with this section button, copy, delete, or duplicate. So let's go to edit section settings, and now we see this image here. So we can remove the image, we can add some images that we have. You can upload it. You can use the premium images that you can really buy. It's $8 per picture. But if you want your own, you can upload it straight from your computer. There's no my images here, because this is totally new account. And let's change the color to that one, for example. And here you go. Of course, the picture is better for this spot, but it doesn't matter. We can undo some actions and everything's gonna be great. Now also here you have image color overlay. This is very interesting tool, as I showed you previously, with the different colors. So you can you can use this some kind of filter to make your really custom stuff on your page, and this is totally great. I don't want this color overlay, let it be like that, but you see the picture is too bright right now. Let's use this color back, and that's great. Also here in settings you have SEO, social analytics, and language. All the things like SEO page title, SEO page description, and make sure that you don't have the flag switched on here. I don't want search engines to index this page. Maybe you want this page to be invisible to search engines, but in most cases probably you want your page to be visible. Social, the same thing. You need to choose an image if you want to share your link to share your website to maybe on Facebook or some else place in social media. You can choose an image, how it will be displayed. Analytics, you can connect all the things here like Google Analytics and so on, and language of the page. Okay, but there's one of the most important parts in any landing page or website. You need to make sure that all the buttons connected to some click event. Okay, you need to add click event, and you have lists of options like open a pop-up, Calendly pop-up, jump to page section, link to landing page, and link to external URL. For example, it's going to be the pop-up, and if we pop-up site uploaded subscription, it's ready now, and let's edit the pop-up, because this is also important. And there's integrations. You can change all the styles, all the things with the same stuff like section settings. Undo this one. Yeah, delete. You need to edit integrations. What's gonna happen when somebody will complete this form? How are you gonna get your leads? So you're gonna get it to your email, or you can switch on integrations with a lot of interesting tools like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, ConvertKit, GetResponse, and so on. And if you don't have one of those, you can connect everything with a Zapier, with Google Sheets, for example, or a lot of interesting actually stuff, Zoom, yeah, and so on and so on. But if you have one of those tools, it's gonna be great. You can connect it just in one click, and all the leads will fall to your email list straight, and you'll get notifications about new leads, about the people who completed the form. That's pretty it, guys. That's pretty it. So of course you need to add your own content, of course you need to add your own pictures, but there are a lot of templates that you can just customize a little bit to get your website or landing page really fast. Or if you want, you can build it up from scratch, and it works also. So that's pretty it, guys. You just need to try that. And if you want to try, you need to find the link under this video in the description panel, and use that link to be on the same page and to try this fantastic tool. So I wish you good luck. I hope this was useful. Thank you. Cheers and bye-bye. See you in the next video.